God dang, bro, don't listen to me. I guess I'll just play by myself. Dang it. Now I gotta play by myself, and Bo don't want to hang out with me no more. Virtual reality, sucks.
Join me to broccoli, been drinking my beer.
God fucking damn it, Billy! Every time you tell me we're gonna hang out, you come in here and play virtual reality!
I'm
You come
sorry.
outside, get this shit off your head, and come out and hang out with me and play outside!
Okay.
Dang it!
Fuck you, Bill. And my fucking Billy talking shit, man. Trying to call me lazy, talking about go outside and play Rocket League. I fucking done that motherfucker. I play Rocket League outside.
This is Rocket League! Bouncing off my booty cheeks, I love the way you ride.
Oh man, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't know you liked this song. You like this song? Man, I'm sorry, Dr. TV, man. I'm sorry.
Why you can't help me fix it?
We'll fix it. Oh shit, we can fix it, man.
Yeah. Alright, well, we went ahead and fixed up our problem. Bo's gonna help me fix our TV, bro. These are the tools you're gonna need.
High quality tools
High
here.
quality. You're gonna need these to fix TV. Without these tools, you won't be able to do it.
Alright.
Want to drill some holes into it?
You drill some holes.
Drill some holes. I got you.
I got the line. You got it?
Alright.
We gotta get that.
Okay. It's really important. When you're drilling the holes, you gotta shave the glass. Shave the glass. Don't drill. You drill.
Hey, you see that glass sticking up right there?
Oh, I shaved it. I shaved it.
Save it. Here we go.
Alright. Let me put that screw in there. Here we go. You gotta get you a 18-penny screw.
Real good screw right there.
Screw it in there.
Then you add some glue.
Nice and tight.
Just to make sure it stays.
Put a little bit of glue in there.
This thing don't work.
God damn it. Yeah, well, I don't think we measured the time. I don't think you did. What the fuck?
Stupid next bar, you broke it. No, I can't fix it. It's fine anymore.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I think it's looking pretty good right there. That was pretty good.
Pretty good TV, isn't it?
Yeah, it was. What the fuck? What the hell, Billy? What you said?
We gotta fix it.
What the hell?
Well, y'all, maybe we'll catch something today.
Yeah, it seems like a good day out here today. I think they're gonna bite.
I'm really hoping.
Oh, wait, I got something.
Hang on, me too.
Oh, yeah,
I got
look
one
at
too.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it, I lost mine. Hold on.
Come on.
I gotta get my line.
Oh, God, let me help you.
No.
Oh, I can't reach. I can't reach. I lost my pen. I lost my pen.
It was come up. I couldn't get my fish. It was a big one.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. As long as you didn't catch your fish.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, bud. It's pretty good here.
I think
we got it pretty good. It's looking great. We
That
did
TV
that.
never done fish.
Look at that. Look at that. Show camera. Look at that.
there we go.
Daggone good job. There's part of the screen right,
Turn
part of
away,
the screen
baby.
right there.
There we go.
There's the other part of the screen.
It's supposed to make that noise once it's fixed. Listen, if your TV sounds like this, that's normal.
That's TV sound right there.
Pan TV.
That's TV sound like this.
That's how you know it's fixed, bro. There you go.
Thank you.
And we got this the internal components of the TV. You put this inside, that's what makes the display work.
And this goes behind it. Yep, just like that.
There we go. And here we go. We gotta get this. There's one more plug over there.
I got it.
Oh, there's. There we go.
Plug.
All right. Time for the test.
We ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh man, y'all, we did it.
Yeah, we did. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh, see, we already way,
Good job.
Good job.
we already way better than Botarati.
I'm gonna head back down there yonder and play me some with VR, all
Come
right?
on, you go do that. Go do that. All right, so look at this. I got this new controller. I want to show you.
Okay, alright.
Normal controllers,
Yeah.
they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
I think 16.
16.
This one's special though, because you
Okay.
flip it over.
Yeah?
I got 3 buttons right. Oh my God, what are you doing?
No, I wanted to look at the button.
These buttons are the best buttons.
No! What are you doing?
All right, what's today's forecast?
Today's forecast, it's cold as fuck out here. We shouldn't be out here because we're gonna get frostbit. That's the Rise BBC Big Black Cock News, and go fuck yourself.